In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Tommy Hilfiger promo codes in 2024. So this is pretty simple and let's jump right into it. First of all, open your web browser and search for Tommy Hilfiger promo code. Right here, select the website where it says youcanfollow.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list with promo codes that we can use from in order to get some discount. And for example, if you want to get this deal with 40% off discount, all you have to do is select your coupon code right here, and this is the discount code. All you have to do right now is copy this code and apply it on your next purchase in order to get the discount. Also, we have right here another website that we can use, which is vouchercodes.co.uk. And right here we have other promo codes that we can use. For example, we have this one with 20% off. All we have to do is select get code right here and use this promo code on our next purchase in order to get a discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.